Oh.
Two, three, four.
Hi.
My name is Audrey Martin. I'm a Girl Scout with Troop 1022 in the heart of Central California. And welcome to Operation Vegetation. Cool name, right? Thanks. Made it myself. Now, I will be the first to say, I am not the best cook. But I've made it my mission this year to learn how to cook vegetables in ways that I'd actually want to eat. And I'm here to share that journey with you. And hopefully, through my mishaps and eventual successes, you can learn with me. So, let's go! So the first thing we're gonna do is preheat the
Oven!
Yeah, the oven. When I was heating it up, it made some very scary beeping noises at me while I was filming.
Ah, okay.
But the temperature that you're gonna need is 425. Next, we get our veggies. Today I'm roasting cauliflower, asparagus, carrots, and some onion. Gotta get it all washed first. Ah, don't do that. And my cat made an appearance. Goodbye. Okay. So I just put it all in a strainer and washed it the best I could. And then I realized that I had to peel the onion, which was a long process. But when all that was done, it was time to wash the cauliflower. So, from what I've been told by my mother, you just smack it against the counter and it's supposed to like shatter. She said that this was easier than using a knife and I need to wash this somehow because ew. I guess I'll just try. Try again. I think it's working. Oh. Well, that's gonna need to be washed. Alright, I think one more time should do it. Well, it sure did it. Anyways, after the cauliflower thing, I had to prepare the rest of the vegetables after washing them, which meant peeling the carrots and chopping the ends off, and then chopping them into small enough bits to roast. Breaking the tough part of the asparagus off of the rest of the asparagus. Cutting up the onion into small pieces to roast that. Then tossing everything in olive oil, salt, and pepper, and laying it out on baking sheets. I then put the baking sheets in our preheated oven and let them cook for around 25 minutes, but I took them out based on sight. I like mine a little bit charred, so when they looked done, I took them out And this is what they looked like on the baking sheets. They smelled awesome too. And this is the final product. It was delicious. Thumbs up. Yay!